kita.
Yeah?
Mahal kita.
Mahal.
Yeah, I love you in the Philippines.
Mahal.
Are you ready? Puwede pa kitang maging jowa.
Well, there's so many ways to interpret it, but basically, in this scenario, back off. That's still mine. That's my girlfriend, in a sense. It's still us. Yeah, do you want to practice it? Let the blankets hear it.
Uy! Kami pa ninja.
Yeah.
Yan. Kami pa ninja.
Yeah.
Yan.
Kami pa niya.
Kami pa ninja.
There we go.
Uy! Kami pa ninja.
It's a pretty common phrase, especially on the internet. They like, fans like to use this jokingly whenever someone talks about their idol. So if someone says, "Oh, I love them," they'll say, "Oh, kami pa niyan," because it's like they want them for themselves in a way, right? So that's what it means. It's like a kind of like a jealous boyfriend or girlfriend in a sense. So of course, we've already done the practice. Now, before you officially say the phrase, of course, we need the audience to participate in this one. Don't worry, we're not. It's everyone. Lahat kayo, everyone's gonna be joining. Okay. So I need the audience to be part of the scene, and you're all gonna say this line. Ready? Get ready. Write it down in your phones if you need. Say, Yoko, mahal kita. And then after they say that, so Yoko, mahal kita means Yoko, I love you. You're gonna say your line.
Uy! Kami pa ninja.
Okay. So, audience, are we ready? Alright, fine, we're ready. In 3, 2, 1, action, audience.
Uy! Kami pa ninja.
Alright, okay, so we're gonna extend the scene. So this is just the first part of the scene, okay?